I think when teachers start to work on these drafts, sometimes they can feel a little bit intimidation, like, whoa, this is different than anything I've done. Other people just want to start going to it. Do you have any tips for a wide range of teachers when they first begin, so they feel a little more confident in taking that risk and doing their first drafts?
Why, yes, Heidi. Not only I do, but we do. We actually developed a one pager so that you can actually use that to help guide your play. I think that's the first piece that Heidi and I always emphasize right out of the gate, that you're laying clay on the table to actually start to see the magic of storyboards. When you started to review a couple of examples, you want to sort of capture that energy and that vitality right from the very beginning. So I think on some level, going right to how do we fill in the boxes is not the mentality that Heidi and I want to start to create. We want to start thinking about and stepping back on how might we engage in writing something that not only we are energized about, but our kiddos will be as well.
Yeah, the one thing about writing too is sometimes it's good to just put the clay out as you know it. It's okay. It's a draft. Like, oh, my title isn't all that interesting. So what? You put it down, and then you can go back and tweak it and massage it and shape it. That make it easier on yourself. And remember, it's a draft. It's a draft. It's a draft. And getting feedback along the way. It brings some play back into the work that I think we really need.